Anticipation is half the joy. Your brain's wired so that sometimes the waiting feels just as good as the moment itself, and you can use that to boost happiness every day. Think about the last time you looked forward to something: a holiday, a big dinner, coffee with a friend. That little buzz of excitement, that's not in your head, it's in your brain chemistry. Here's the truth. Positive psychology research shows anticipation lights up your brain's reward system, releasing dopamine, your feel-good neurotransmitter. And here's the twist. Dopamine often peaks before the event happens. That's why countdowns to birthdays, holiday planning, or even thinking about your morning coffee can lift your mood. This isn't just about big milestones. You can use this anticipation effect in everyday life to boost emotional well-being, motivation, and joy. Here's how to put it into practice. 1. Schedule small wins. Lunch with a friend, a movie night, a new recipe. 2. Talk about it. Share your excitement. It strengthens the effect. 3. Visualize. Imagine the sights, sounds, and feelings you'll experience. 4. Make the wait part of the fun. Prepare, plan, and savor the lead up. 5. Micro-anticipations. Even looking forward to tonight's tea can shift your mood. What's one thing you're looking forward to this week? Drop it in the comments. And start enjoying it right now just by thinking about it. When you treat anticipation as part of the experience, you stretch happiness across time, before, during, and after the moment. And remember, happiness doesn't only live in big events. It's hiding in all the little moments you choose to look forward to. Nurture them, savor them, and watch how they color your days with joy. If this video made you smile, share it with a friend, give it a like, and subscribe for more inspiring videos. This is Living My Better Life, where every day we find small ways to feel better, live better, and think better.